Friends, good morning. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are learning our fourth chapter, differential equations. So in our last day's class, in exercise 4.3, sixth problem I have left. Is it right? So I said in our next class I will teach the sixth problem. So today we are going to learn that one first. Afterwards we will move to the next model. Okay, problem number 6. I am going to read the question from your book. You just go through in your book. The slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y on it is given by one equation is given and the curve passes through 1 comma 2. Find the equation of the curve. Okay. So you take down the question from your book. So this is the equation it is given. Y cube minus 2yx square dx plus 2xy square minus x cube. Okay. So first I am going to write it in the form of dy by dx. Okay. So first what will we do? We will bring this term to this side. So 2xy square minus x cube into dy is equal to minus of y cube minus 2yx square dx. Okay. So dy by dx means dy by dx is equal to minus y cube minus 2yx square divided by 2x y square minus x cube. Okay. So next step what will you do? Put y is equal to vx. Same as other problems. So what will happen? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Correct? So this is equation number 1. So substitute this value here. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus y cube minus 2yx square divided by 2xy square minus x cube. Okay. That is equal to, next what will we do? In the place of y we need to substitute vx. Is it right? So here you substitute vx minus of v cube x cube minus 2vx x square divided by 2x b square x square minus x cube. Then v plus x into dv by dx. Okay. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus, multiply with minus v cube x cube minus into minus plus 2v x cube divided by 2xv square x square. Sorry, this 2 can be combined and write it as x cube. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, in the numerator x cube is common. So if you are taking outside you will get minus v cube plus 2v. Okay. So divided by, denominator also x cube is common. So 2v square minus 1. So x cube and x cube will get cancelled. Understand? So what's the balance next? v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, minus is there, so minus v cube plus 2v divided by 2v square minus 1. Okay. Then next step, x into dv by dx is equal to minus v cube plus 2v divided by 2v square minus 1 minus v. Okay. Now take down the LCM. X into dv by dx is equal to minus v cube plus 2v divided by 2v square minus 1 is a LCM. So what will happen? Minus, we will multiply with v. So minus v into 2v square minus 1. Okay. Simplify. That is minus v cube plus 2v minus 2v cube plus v divided by 2v square minus 1. So that is equal to minus v cube minus 2v cube. So totally 3v cube plus 3v. Correct? 3v divided by 2v square minus 1. This is same as x into dv by dx. Okay. So next step what will we do? We will take 3 as common in the numerator. So x into dv by dx is equal to minus 3 you can take outside So v cube minus v you will get divided by 2v square minus 1. Okay. Next what will you do means we are going to separate, that is variable separable. So v one side, is it right? So integral of integrating 2v square minus 1 into cross it. Okay. dv divided by beta v cube minus v is equal to this x minus 3 will be there. So here the minus symbol is there. So we are not bringing this minus term this side. So minus will be there. So dx by x. Keep it as equation number 2. This one we can't integrate directly. So we are going to consider this as I1 and I2. And we are going to use partial fraction. So let us consider I1 first. What's I1? Integration of 2v square minus 1 divided by v is common, so v square minus 1. Okay, so into dv. So we are going to split it as partial fraction and we are going to do. Okay, listen, we are going to split us in partial fraction and we will do. So how will you write? 3 factors are there. So a by v square minus 1, how will you write? A plus bv plus so if you need you can write it one more step, that's equal to integral of 2v square minus 1 divided by v into v plus 1 into v minus 1. A square minus b square. So this one again, how will you write again? A by v, 3 factors are there. So right, a by v plus b by v plus 1 plus c by v minus 1. Okay. So we are going to find 3 values. So you know already. In the right hand side, 2v square minus 1 is equal to a into v plus 1 into v minus 1 plus b into v minus 1 into v plus c into v plus 1 into v. So next what will you substitute? Put v equal to 0. In the place of v substitute 0. 2 into 0 minus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. This term v will be 0, this term. So this terms will be 0. So 2 into 0 minus 1. So 2 into 0 minus 1, is it right? So it is minus 1. So minus 2 is equal to a into minus 1. Yes. Sorry, plus 1 is there, minus 1 is there. Correct? Plus 1. So if you are multiplying, what will you get? So 2 into 0. So 2 into 0 is 0 minus 1. So here also minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus a. So a is equal to 1. So the answer for a is equal to 1. Next you substitute, put v equal to 1. In the place of v, substitute as this already you have learned more problems. 2 into 1 square minus 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1. Then plus b into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus c into 1 plus 1 into 1. So this one 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1, that is 1, equal to a into this term will be 0, this also will be 0, c you will get. So c is 2 into 1. So 2z equal to 1. So what's the c value? C equal to 1 by 2. Now only one value you need to find, that is p. For that put v equal to any value, v equal to minus 1 means 2 into minus 1 the whole square, minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus b into minus 1 into minus 1 plus c into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1. So from this you will get the b value, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. Here it is minus minus minus. So minus also this will be 2, correct? So 2b. So b is equal to 1 by 2. So now you got all the values for a, b and c. Okay. So now we are going to substitute in equation number 2. Now substitute there. What will happen? Substitute there. So when you are substituting time, what will happen? 3 integrals are there, is it right? So if we are splitting, what will happen? What's the a value? A value is 1 by, first factor is v, dv. The next factor is b value, 1 by 2 dv divided by v plus 1. Then plus integral of c by, is it right, dv divided by v minus 1. Okay, so a by b by c by, there we are substituted. Okay, so before that here you need to write one more step, otherwise you will get a lot of confusion. So here you split it and write it, a by v plus b by v plus 1 plus c by v minus 1. Here only we are substituting. Okay, so here only we are substituting the particular values. Okay, now I have substituted all the values here. So what's this one integration is log v d, log v. Next one means 1 by 2 log of v plus 1. Next one is 1 by 2 log of v minus 1. Okay, so it is log v plus 1 by 2 is common for both, 1 by 2 log. So totally what will you get? V plus 1 into v minus 1. That is log v plus 1 by 2 into log of a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So v square minus 1. Then log of v plus 1 by 2 log v square minus 1 is equal to equation 2 we are going to substitute. So 3 into dx minus 3 is there. Dx by x means log x. Okay, so log x plus log c. So we are going to multiply by 2. Then only this 1 by 2 it will go. So 2 log v plus log v square minus 1 is equal to, when you are multiplying with the 2, this will change as 6 minus 6 log x plus 2 log c. Okay, why we are multiplying with the 2? This 2 then only it will go. Then how will you write this 2 as log v square? It will go to the power. So log of v square minus 1, this also will go to the power. That is minus log x power 6 plus log c square. Okay, log c square. Then now log of a into a plus b means log a b, correct? V square into v square minus 1 is equal to log a plus b means, here it is minus, is it right? So minus, so we will apply the next step, minus log x power 6. So log a minus log b means log a by b. Log of v square into v square minus 1 is equal to log of c square by x power 6. Okay, so log and log get cancelled. What's the balance? V square into v square minus 1 is equal to c square divided by x power 6. What's the value for v square? Would be equal to y by x. Is it right? Substitute y square x square into y square x square minus 1. Sorry, y square divided by x square minus 1 is equal to c square divided by x power 6. Okay, now we are going to simplify. X square, y square divided by x square into y square minus x square divided by x square is equal to c square divided by x power 6. Now multiply this 2 and we can cancel that side. And we can cancel, right? So y square into y square minus x square divided by x power 4 is equal to c square x power 6. Here itself you can cancel and this will changes to. So if you need you can cross it. So x square y square into y square minus x square is equal to c square. Okay. So here you keep it in mind, that is in your question, that is when x is equal to 1, y equal to 2. If you read the question, you come to know the curve passes through 1, 2. So x is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. Okay. So substitute here 1 square. Take it as equation number 3 and substitute. So 1 square into 2 square. 1 square minus 2 square is equal to c square. So 4 into 3 equal to, sorry, 2 square minus 1 square is equal to c square. So c square is equal to 12. So c square is equal to 12. Is it right? So in the place of c square you need to substitute this value. So equation 3 implies x square y square into y square minus x square is equal to 12. If you need, you can simplify this as, we will take the square root. Taking square root When you are simplifying, taking square root xy, this will be inside the root y square minus x square. For root 12, what's the value? 2 into 2 into 2 inside the square root. So this can be written as 2 root 2. So it is for 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 root 2. This is the required answer. Understand, students? So don't think this problem is very big, is it right? As a very big essay question. Because of that, last class I not started this problem. So moreover, I think 4 to 5 pages are there. So very easy. The thing is very easy, but here we are using partial fractions and all. Because of that, the problem is going on nearly for 5 pages. It's a very important 5-mark question. So because of that, especially I taught you this one separately. So be very thorough in this question. Take it to your note and learn thoroughly. Okay. Now it's the end of exercise 4.3. Now let's move to the next exercise 4.4 exercise. Before that, we are going to learn somewhat important points first. So next our heading is, next our topic name is linear differential equation of first order. Okay, so how will you find the linear differential equation? Okay, the most general form of linear equation. So here you will confuse a lot. What about homogeneous? What about ordinary differential equation? What about linear differential equation? Please differentiate it. And last exercise, homogeneous equation I taught you. In that, what I taught you, degree will be same like that I taught you. Is it right? So here it will be in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. This all the things you no need to take to your note. Directly you can move to the problem. Just you go through this one. So one thing you need to take to your note. In page number 92, there is one note. That is, this is a formula here we will use. That is x e power integral p dy equal to integral q e power integral p dy plus t. This is a formula we will use here. It is mentioned in your book in page number 92 as a note. So put your side heading linear differential equation of first order. Afterwards write down as note. That is for a differential equation dy by dx by dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are functions of y alone, then the solution is. Okay. So before that, here we are going to learn just an introduction. When we are doing the problem, I will explain it deeply. The solution is given by y into integral of e power p dx is equal to q into e power of integral of p dx plus c, where e power integral p dx is known as the integrating factor. We will write as if. Okay. So here e power p dx, here it is in the form of dy. So if it is in the form of e power p dx, we will say that is integral factor. Okay, integrating factor, and it is denoted by if. So when we are doing the problem, we will notate as if. Okay, so don't confuse. That's an integrating factor, e power integral p dy. Understand? When we are doing the problem, we will get the thorough knowledge. So only one problem we will do it today. Okay. Example 4.20. Solve dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x cube. Solution. Given dy by dx, we will split as 1 by x into y, okay, equal to x cube. Now it is in the form of, dy by dx plus py equal to q. Yes, this is in this form. Yes, whether it is in this form? Yes. So where p is equal to, what's the value? In the place of p, what's there? P is equal to 1 by x. In the place of q, what's there? X cube. So first you need to find integral of p dx. Separately you need to do, okay, p dx. So what is integral? Integral 1 by x dx. What's the integration? Log x. Okay. First you will find integrating factor, that is if. What's the integrating factor? E power integral p dx. So e power integral p dx. Now we have found out the value. So e power log x. So e power log means this will get cancelled. The value will get is x. Okay. That. Now we are going to find the required solution. So required solution, that is what's the formula means y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. This formula is not different. That is same as this formula. Okay. Okay. Y into what's the integrating factor? X equal to q. What's the value? X cube into x dx plus c. So what's the value we'll get? That is equal to integral of x power 4 dx plus c. What's the integration of x power 4? X power n plus 1. So x power 5 by 5 plus c. So what's the answer? Yx is equal to x power 5 divided by 5 plus c. Okay. So it's very easy. Only one thing is this is a formula we will use here. Okay. So y into integration factor, it's not different. That is y into e power the integral of p dy. That's the meaning. So because of that we are writing here as it is p dx. Is it right? So here it is p dx. So only here it is y. So y into integration factor. We will find out all the value and we will substitute. Okay students. Okay. I think it's enough today. So I think one homework I can give for you today for practice. Then only it will be very easy for you. Take down, that is first problem we can try. Okay, exercise 4.4, exercise 4.4, first problem, that is dy by dx minus 1 y by x is equal to x. So here it is plus y by x is equal to x cube. In that problem minus y by x. So your homework is exercise 4.4 problem number 1 is your homework. Okay. So the easiest question, just you try down and do it. So in our next class we'll start from example 4.21. Please students, one problem already I taught you. It's a very important question, so you must learn. Understand students? Okay, we will meet in the next class. Be safe, learn thoroughly, don't omit anything. Thank you students.